This is a video by RTI International's Preschool Environmental Experiences and Development Study, or PEDS team. And today we will walk you through the 5-step process of collecting your home samples.
Today we'll overview the process for collecting dust samples from your home on day 6 or 7. In order to collect dust samples, you'll need the following items: the chain of custody document from your original test kit, 3 plastic tubes that have barcodes on them labeled floor, window, and blank, 3 sealed packages of dust wipes, 1 large square template, 1 paper ruler, and 12 brown stickers.
To take the dust samples, we'll start in the child's bedroom, just in an area in the middle of the floor. So I'll take 1 packet of the ghost wipes. If I lay it across diagonally, press firmly down, I'm gonna move it across the template like this, and I can just pull on the corner here to help it not get bunched up. Pushing firmly all the way across, we can pull it down, move it across the other way, without going outside the template. So I'm not gonna go further beyond the template, I'm just gonna go to the edge. My hand's right at the edge of it, pull it across. Now we've done the whole thing. Now I want to pick it up and get all of the dust to stay in the wipe. So I'm going to kind of scoop it up, keeping my template in place, kind of scoop it. So this is the dusty side. We lifted it up, this is the dusty side. I'm going to fold it over once, try to capture all of that dust in there, and then we'll go to our next location. So I've got the folded wipe. Again, we're trying to keep all the dust inside, so I'm holding on to that. I'm just going to lay it down in the corner again. This time we have a smaller space to work with, but it's the same idea. So I'm going to put my hand down and help it move across like this and pick up that dust. That's the end. I'm going to kind of scoop up the dust, get it inside, and now I'm going to fold it 2 more times. So that's our second fold, third fold, fourth fold, and we're ready to put it in the tube. I've got the wipe that we used to wipe the floor in 2 locations, and I'm going to put it in the sample bottle marked with F. Just tuck it in, close it up, and that's ready to go back in the bag. So we've washed our hands. Now we're back in the child's bedroom to take the sample from the windowsill. We're going to get ready the tube for that. It ends in DW and says window on the top. Starting at one end, just lay it down and try to wipe the flat surface. If I need to, I can help pull it across. I'm going to wipe all the way across from one end to the other. And if it's a wide windowsill, you might have to go back in the other direction to get the full surface. And when I get to the end, I'm going to try to capture that dust by picking it up, folding that inside. After wiping the windowsill, we need to measure it. And then I'll start at one end. This windowsill is longer than the ruler, so I'm just going to mark where it stops. That's 40 inches. And I'll start there again. That's another 34 inches. So that's a total of 74 inches. It's 74 inches long. And now we'll measure how wide it is. It's about 2.5 inches wide. And I'll write that down too. 2.5. I've washed my hands again, and now we're ready to collect the last one, which is the field blank. So we're not actually going to wipe anything with this. This is we're just going to collect the wipe. We need the tube that says DB at the end and blank on the top. Open that to have it ready. And again, the cap goes up. Our last packet of wipes, open that. I'm going to take out the wipe. I won't let it touch anything else besides just my hands. I'm going to unfold it all the way, open it up, and then I'm going to fold it again. But I use the same folding we did before. So we folded it in half once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And then I'll put that in the tube. And now we're going to pack them all in the bag. That one's for the floor, the window, and the field blank. And we're going to close up and seal the bag. Now I'll fill out the chain of custody.
You've now finished collecting your dust samples and are ready to move on to the final step, collecting a hair sample.